Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Instagram notes on computer. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click on the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Getting an Instagram notes on your computer is very beneficial because when typing or drafting notes on a computer keyboard, it's a lot faster and more comfortable than using a mobile device's touch screen and keyboard, right? Because with a larger screen and more processing power, organizing and editing notes on a computer can be more efficient and conducive to multitasking. Of course, you can easily copy and paste content from other applications or web browsers into your Instagram notes, which can enhance your note-taking experience. But how do we do it? Okay, so the first step that we are going to do once we are here on our computer is, now once you are on the interface of your Instagram page on computer, right? I need you to go to the left side of the dashboard, and as you may notice, there's no notes that is being shown here, even if you have like notes previously on your mobile device. For you to be able to do that, I need you to press F12, right? When you do that, what will happen is there's going to be a new window that will give you an option like this one, right? Now I need you to hover your cursor or mouse in the toggle device toolbar, which is Control plus Shift plus M. That's going to be for mobile device and tablet view. All right. When you click on that, as you can see, the platform has shrink. Let me do that again. All right. This is the normal, which is for the computer view, and toggle again for the iPad and iPhone view. It gonna shrink. Now the thing is, I need you to click on this option, the refresh, to reload this page and to see more options. When you do that, all I have to do is exit. And from here, you would be able to see your notes if there's notes around here. Okay. Now, if by any chance you're having problems seeing notes as you already have done all the steps that's needed, you might want to go here instead. Go to the Instagram Customer Support Center, and from here, tell them that you are having problems getting your Instagram notes on computer. Most likely, they will give you some troubleshooting steps and guidelines on how to do it depending on your situation. So you need to tell them all the information that they will need, okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.